Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have a Hori garden knife. It says soil can be corrosive, please clean and dry after the use. So you definitely want to clean your garden knife. Okay, so this is it here. I have lots of gardening stuff to deal with, so this is going to be good for me. So what's good about this is it gives me the ability to, sorry, I just have another phone there. So you see it's got different markings and things on it, so I can see how long my stuff has grown. If I just kind of put it there, I can see how tall my weeds are, so I can measure that. I have a blade here, which I can use to cut certain things down. This one here I can use to get some of those heavy duty weeds or stuff, or get a little branch that's kind of growing out some of the trees that are coming up where they shouldn't be. And this one here I can use to pry up some weeds as well. So this is a nice little universal one here. It's even got a little grabber here, so I can just yank something and get it good. So this is a cool little garden knife. It's super strong and heavy duty, and I'll be able to take this outside with me and use it when I want to. I have a little sheath that it comes in, and so I can just keep it nicely stored there. So once it's all clean and dry after using it, I get to just put it, there we go, Velcro it back on and do that. I can put it on a belt and wear it on my hip if I wanted to. I don't really wear belts, so that's not going to be useful for me, but I could just connect it up, maybe zip tie it or something like that on my little yard card, and then I could always have it handy. So really cool item to have, and it looks good and seems like this is going to work great for the outside of my house. So awesome, thumbs up.